Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Amethyst Black Metallic. Jaguar XF 3-litre diesel S, 275 brake horsepower, Portfolio Sportbrake automatic. 2014 registered, beginning of 2014 on a 63 plate. Only 77,000 miles. Had the cam belt replaced at 57, so top of the range, Portfolio, 77k, beautiful car, special order, black amethyst metallic, black with a deep purple in it, beautiful, beautiful colour. On a dark day, it is jet black. In the sun, it shows reddy purple hints or tints, beautiful. Mega service history, 15, 22, 32, 37, 48, 57, 68 and 75. Now on 77. £11,495. What a beautiful, beautiful thing. Black leather, 20-inch alloys, look like they've just been refurbed like brand new. Portfolio, 275 brake, plus blind spot monitoring. So standard options that you get with this Portfolio top of the range car: reverse camera, park sensors, space saver alloy, spare wheel, power tailgate, 20-inch wheels, 275 brakes, so got the extra splitter low down in the back bumper, fully color coded, beautiful 20-inch wheels, Vredestein tyres, premium tyres, new discs and pads on the rear, keyless entry, keyless start, matching Vredestein tyre, freshly refurbed spare wheel, few stone chips, but lovely, lovely really. Park sensors, daytime running lights, as I say. Inside, big Meridian 825 watt hi-fi with the extra speaker in the centre of the dashboard. Black leather sports, electric memory, heated and chilled leather trim. Multifunction steering wheel, paddle change, electric column. As I say, heated seats, chilled seats, sat-nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, extra speaker on the dashboard, dynamic button there, sport button for the sports driving modes. So 77,000, registered in 2014, beautiful colour, lovely condition, great spec. Hard to find these now. Power tailgate, press the button. Boot mat in there. Beautiful underneath. There is a black, it's in the photos. There is the alloy space saver spare wheel, jack, wheel brace toolkit, alloy wheel locking key. It's all where it should be, all in the back, as you'd expect. Rear tailgate spoiler, privacy glass. What a great looking car. Shame it's quite so sunny. The paintwork's too shiny, that's the problem. Alloy wheel, immaculate, new disc and pads on the back, another Vredestein tyre, another immaculate alloy wheel, beautiful, beautiful Vredestein tyre. Comes with 2 keys. £11,495. So there's the memories for the seats, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, folding mirrors, multifunction steering wheel, 70,414 miles, 77,414. Piano black, interior pack, the centre console, lovely, lovely, lovely. I'll just pop it in reverse. Show you it's got a reverse cam. There you go, lovely clear reverse camera. Heated and chilled seats. We've got the driver's seat on warm, put the passenger seat on cold. Lovely. Obviously Bluetooth, DAB digital radio, and you can store music in the My Music section. Dynamic button down there. Wow, beautiful, beautiful car that. 11,495. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with 2,000 car videos we produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you'd be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243, it would mean that you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh car into stock. You would then be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.